Now, typically, shrimp cocktail is cold, right, CJ? You love shrimp cocktail.
That's how I prefer.
Typically, it's cold, and I get that. But if I'm throwing a tailgate and I want to do something really fun, I want crispy shrimp with a delicious citrus Blue Moon cocktail sauce. Come on, it's going to be delicious. It's actually a lot easier than you might think, and it's super quick. Let me show you how I like to do it. While shrimp is kind of the star of the show, we do want to start with our cocktail sauce. I mean, it's basic, it's simple, but it is loaded with flavor. Actually, off camera, Ethan did say, "You mean shrimp sauce? Shrimp
sauce?"
I said it wrong, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna go equal parts chili sauce. If you've never seen this, it's actually right next to the ketchup at the grocery store. I'm gonna do equal parts chili sauce and ketchup, maybe slightly less on the ketchup side. Then I'm going to go in with one of the most important parts of, wait, what did you call it again? Shrimp sauce?
Shrimp sauce.
Shrimp sauce? Shrimp sauce? I can't even say it, dude. Horseradish. And my spoon's too big. I need a smaller spoon. Horseradish is king here. It's so, so good.
That's a lot of horseradish, bro.
Oh, is it? You should threaten me with a good time.
Traditional shrimp sauce doesn't require that
So
much.
that is not where we're ending. We're going to amp this up with a good bit of citrus. So I'm going to go with orange first, and what I'm looking for is just the zest. You don't want to go into the white, you just want that beautiful aroma in the zest. That's where the oils and flavors are. I'm also going to do some lemon. Same thing, if you go too far and start getting into the white, you have gone too far. Slow down, back up, return. You only want the colorful skin, the zest. Let's do the same thing let's do 2 limes. We want equal parts of zest. I mean, not only is this gonna give us a really great color, it's gonna give us unbelievable flavor, which is gonna pair really great with the last ingredient, which is Blue Moon Light Sky. Now, this is brewed with tangerine peel, so the citrus, like the harmony right here, this just makes absolute magic. Now, we don't need a ton, just a splash will do you, just to thin it out a touch. And there you go, cocktail sauce, done. Shrimp sauce. What did you say, Ethan? Shrimp sauce.
Yeah, shrimp sauce.
Shrimp sauce. Now onto our shrimp. I've got some big jumbo shrimp, CJ. Oxymoron shrimp.
They're
jumbo shrimp.
Jumbo shrimp.
Jumbo shrimp.
The biggest of the smallest shrimp.
The
biggest of the smallest thing.
Exactly. You know. Now I'm gonna oil my shrimp. These are big. I think these are like 10s, 8 10s or so. I mean, they're decent sized shrimp. I want to go large and heavy. I'm doing lemon peppercorn, a touch of olive oil,
Dude,
and that's pretty much it.
So money, and it's gonna pair really well with the zest that is in your sauce.
I was gonna say zestfully clean, but that would be the wrong show to make quotes from the 90s.
Precisely.
So I shan't.
Yes, you did.
The zestiness, zestfully clean, it's in my head, I can't shake it now. The zestiness is kind of like happening all over the place, right? We have the zestiness in the shrimp now, we have it in our cocktail sauce, our shrimp sauce. Dude, that's another one that stuck for me. Ethan, get out of my head, buddy.
It's actually because of me.
Hey, check this out.
No, it's because of me.
Audible.
No.
Look at this. I've got a little bit extra of this. Let's just a little, not a ton, just a little bit, like that. A little bit of that zest. Now here we go. I have my griddle set to medium high heat. We don't want like insane heat, but we do want a decent amount. I don't need to add any oil because I oiled my shrimp here, right down, and that's what you should hear. Make sure you spread them out. You want to give a lot of surface area so that we get as much crispiness as possible. If they're stacked on top of each other, they'll start to steam a little bit. You can kind of see right there on this one, they're starting to steam a touch. We do not want that. Give everyone their own little area. And if you want to, you can grab a touch more oil. Give it a little 1-2 over the top. And let's go in with a bit more of that Blackstone lemon peppercorn right over the top. Oh, smells amazing already.
No,
amazing already. Get out of here. CJ doesn't like shrimp. All right, there we go. So now all we have to do is wait. We have to wait 3 minutes, 4 minutes. I mean, they're pretty big. The cooking time will vary depending on how big your shrimp are, but what you're looking for is crisp. A little bit of crisp on the outside. Let that seasoning really penetrate. Again, we mentioned earlier that it's typically a cold dish, shrimp cocktail. So we're flipping it on its head a little bit. While those are cooking, let's get to our garnish real quick, which we only have 2. I'm gonna start with some romaine lettuce. Cut that up nice and small. We're just gonna make a little bed for our shrimp to sit on. It'll wilt a little bit and all those seasonings and juices will get on it, but it kind of makes a little salad at the end, which I'm a fan of. Let's also do a little bit of cilantro just for that garnish at the end. Now let's check on our shrimp, and they look flawless. They look perfect. Now it's time to plate. But before I do, I want to do this one last little bit. I'm deglazing with my Blue Moon. What that means is, CJ, I don't know if you can see all the little delicious nibs.
I can see the little nibs, bro.
Extra nibs. So when protein cooks, it leaves behind something called fond, and that is a beautiful flavor that we don't want to miss out on, but we need a liquid, just a touch. We need a liquid to bring all of that back up to the surface, so then those shrimp kind of bathe in all their own flavors. Oh, goodness. See how it's starting to come up with it? So it's actually, it's not glazing, but it's adding more flavor. And that Blue Moon has some citrus in it. Remember we said it was brewed in tangerine peel, which is fantastic. Now we're ready. Should I try to make the move, CJ?
Go for it.
I'm going for it. Just do a few at a time here. Oh.
What about your garnish?
Oh, I'm not. This guy's my friend.
Yep.
Helps me not make mistakes. I'm gonna set up my garnish real quick. That little bed of lettuce right down at the bottom. Again, this will wilt a little bit, but it's wilting in all the beautiful flavor of the shrimp. It turns into a little salad, a little warm salad. Thank you. Thank you, CJ.
Hey.
Here he comes to save the day. Now we can go with our shrimp. Let's just start pretty much on one side, closer to me. We'll stack it up. Now again, shrimp cocktails usually cold. I get it. This is a fun play. Like, especially if you're out tailgating or something, you want like something fun and quick, something you can like show off your skills. You're not gonna be making the shrimp there, then throwing it on ice and then waiting for 45 minutes till it cools off.
Nah, dude.
Here, you can have a fun little party. And presentation, so easy. You get people to help. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now we can't forget about that beautiful cocktail sauce. So I've got a little bowl here. We can just kind of sneak her in. There we go, that looks good. And let's go with a spoon. And there you go. This cocktail sauce too, by the way, super versatile. Use it on tons of other stuff. It's that level of zest that really takes it through the roof. Oh yeah, oh yeah, there you go, there you go. Too easy and delicious not to try. That, my friends, is how you take your shrimp cocktail game to the next level, even though it's not technically shrimp cocktail. It's delicious is what it is, CJ.
That's what it is.
It is what it is. Now I did bring 3 forks. CJ, are you gonna try one? Oh.
Yeah, I'll try one.
No, these are warm. Usually you just kind of jump right in, but
Seems like you should just be able to grab them, dude.
they're so hot. They just came off the Blackstone. I mean, you could.
Yeah, I will.
That cocktail sauce?
I'll get one with the tail up so it cools off.
Are you really?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Are you recording?
No.
You what?
These aren't hot.
They were.
A little shrimp sauce. You
Shrimp
good?
sauce? Dude.
These are massive.
Yeah. You gotta get more shrimp sauce. Mm-hmm.
Be better with chicken.
Can't win some people over. But if your guests love shrimp cocktail, this one's super fun. If you did want to chill it, totally cool. Do this ahead of time. Maybe just chill it down, then serve it traditional style. I like it warm in the cocktail sauce. I feel like the heat brings out more flavor and the zest. Super fun. That cocktail sauce, amazing.
Delicious.
Like, we're talking citrus through the roof. It's very, very bright and refreshing. The Blue Moon goes a long way both with deglazing the shrimp and kind of giving us that more appealing texture. And the, what did you call it again?
Shrimp sauce.
Shrimp sauce.
Yeah.
So there you go. If you are new to the channel, be sure to click, I always do this every time.
I know.
The subscribe button down below. Click on it. Click the little bell icon just so you get an email every time we post a video. Check out all the other shows on the channel. Grab yourself some shrimp, make some cocktail sauce, grab some Blue Moon. Thank you, my friends, for hanging out. This is Cook, Eat, Repeat, where we like to help you become a better cook one recipe at a time. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and cocktail sauce is mine. So good. Dang.